All right, guys, Monday morning. We've got tees, greens, collars, fairways. I actually came in yesterday with the boys and Katie. We changed the flag pins last night. Weather conditions are supposed to be really bad. It's going to be spotty rain pretty much every day this week. So for the second week of weekly mowings, and then to also have the rain in there, it's going to be a little bit of a tough week with that. So Devin and Damien are going to manhandle that. I'm going to stay out here on the course, take care of everything out here. We plan on doing a landscape project this morning because normally we can get all of our yards in 4 days if we want to, but with the rain, that landscape, I flipped that. We're gonna have that open day on Friday, and we're gonna make sure that we get all of our mowing done Monday through Thursday, Monday through Friday if we have to with the rain. So I guess we're gonna see. But as you can see, a little bit of water on the floor over here. It's been raining, and we're gonna continue to get real heavy rain. It's extremely wet out there, so this is gonna be a challenging week for us in the lawn care field, but that's part of the game. So if you get into this, just know you're gonna be battling weather, and we do pretty good. Only, I can't even think, maybe 3-4 times a year where we have to come to like work into the weekend. Like I said, what we'll do is we'll get up early. If it's like this where it's super wet but it's not raining, we'll get out there and trim, edge, blow, and then later in the day we'll come back and just do a quick mow and blow and in and out, and we'll do whatever we can to make sure that we stay on schedule. I just checked the weather app. It's 45 degrees and feels like 28. Feels like 28. April 21st, and it feels like 28 degrees outside. Give me a break. Come on. About to head out and hit those greens. Billy will be here real soon to hit the tees and the collars. Oh yeah. Just like you'd expect it, gray and gloomy. .20 update. Out here mowing some greens. Willie's around here somewhere. I saw him already. I haven't talked to him yet. He just kind of got out here and got doing his thing. I got 3 of them done. 6 to go. It's cold as shit. It's windy as hell. Holy shit. 8:45. Just got done doing the greens. Took about 2 hours. Had to change baskets about every 2-3 greens. Tried to catch a couple videos, but we have got like 40-50 mile an hour wind gust out there. It is absolutely freezing. I can tell or not, but my fucking hands are like numb. My toes are numb. When the hell is it ever gonna be nice out? It is April 21st, and I'm wearing a winter coat, a hoodie, a 3/4 zip up pullover, my work shirt, my white t-shirt, and then a thermal underneath that. Golly, somebody please send some nice weather. It has been just gray, cloudy, windy, cold. Like this whole spring has just been cold as. This is my rant for the day. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it all out right now. All right, now that we're done complaining about the weather, greens are done. We still have to get the fairways done. Devin and Damien are out mowing the list. I'm really not looking forward to mowing these fairways, because if I think I'm cold right now, it only gets worse on the fairways. They're more open, bigger mows. I mean, I don't know if you can hear the wind in the background or not, but it's just rattling the piss out of this place. So it's gonna be a bit of a rough day, but we're gonna get through it.
Morning, everybody. It is extremely windy and extremely cold out today. At one of our yards right here, Devon's finishing it. Oh wait, yeah, that's it right there. Devon's finishing it up right now. Got about 2 more residentials left, and then I got 2 out on the Caves Road I got to get done. Other than that, besides it being colder than balls outside, it's been a pretty smooth day. I just got out here to the club. Be dropping Devon off. Got the list knocked out for the day. It is still extremely cold, and I swear to God that wind went up another 10 miles per hour once I got out to the course. Yeah, if you can see him there, Zach in the background, rolling up. He's got some work for Devon to do. I think he was talking about getting on the roughs and that. I got yards I got to go do that are fairly decent size, which is why I'm gonna go rock them myself. Here you go. Here's nice. Is this guy going snowboarding or is he mowing? What is he doing? That doesn't tell you how cold it is out here today, people.
Fucking cold. All right, just got done having a little lunch with the fellas. By lunch, I mean just conversation. Didn't eat nothing. About to go hit some more fairways. I got 4.5 of them done. It's effing cold out here. So yeah, I got the snow goggles on. Work really well to keep your eyes from watering up when you're out here. So got Devon out here with me now. He's about to go get on the zero turn and start ripping up some rough.
Alright, that's a wrap. That's the last one for the day. Get this mower cleaned up, gassed up, and then I'll be headed home. Windy and crappy Monday. It turned out to be a decent day. Got everything done, got everything mowed. You guys have a good day. Look, lo and behold, it's a boss on a mower. You don't see that often. Just look at him go. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I'll take it.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I know I didn't get a lot of content shot. Tried to get some greens filmed this morning and was having a hell of a time with the tripod. Just kept blowing over with the wind. So that was kind of a bit of a fail. And then probably spent about 5 hours. It's felt like, I don't even know, 11 o'clock till 4 o'clock, yeah. 5 hours mowing fairways. So I think Damien might have got a clip of me with my snow goggles on. It's freezing out there. But we got her done. I got all the fairways done. I got all the greens done. Willie got all his tees and collars done. Damien and Devon got their list done and then a little extra. So in the grand scheme of things, yeah, it was a tough day, but all the work got done, which is the important thing. I'd be more stressed out if it was easy and I still had shit on the schedule to do. So I guess it's all good.